How to connect AvaTrade to TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AvaTrade to TradingView. The first thing you need to do is go to TradingView.com. Sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. After logging in, hover over Products and click on Supercharts. Once the chart loads, look in the bottom left corner and click Trading Panel. Wait for it to load, then pull it up. This is where TradingView shows all supported brokers. You won't see AvaTrade listed at first. Click Show All Brokers, then scroll through the full list. To make it faster, press Ctrl F on your keyboard and type AVA. You'll notice the only result is Ava Futures. This means you cannot connect a regular AvaTrade account directly to TradingView. However, you can connect Ava Futures. If you're using Ava Futures, click on it and then tap the Connect button. TradingView will take you to the logging page. Enter your credentials, click Sign In, and your account will connect successfully. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.